Hello again, Jay Spiegate here with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. Today we're just going to quickly show you how to initialize a slice using the make command. So let's say my slice colon equals, you can use the word make parentheses, and you notice it kind of gave me a little definition here of what you do. You're going to put the type and then the size. So I'm going to make a slice of integers that is going to be of size 6. Now this does not bind the slice to only ever be 6 long like it does an array. It just says that we're initially going to create the slice 6 long. Under the hood, what it does is it creates an array of 6 elements and then gives us a slice window to that array. So let's go ahead and print this out. And this will be similar to when you initialized an array of 6 elements. It'll print out a bunch of 0 valued. 6 integers, 0 valued. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you again.